Good morning, students. As we have completed the chapter reading, What Strange Creatures, let me explain the chapter along with the video. In this chapter, we'll read about some living beings that are very unique and peculiar, and some of them you might not even have heard the names of. So let's start.
You may think you have seen and learnt about all animals and birds around you. But you will be surprised to know that the living world consists of a variety of creatures, animals, birds, insects, and plants that you have not even heard about. Many of these creatures have features so strange that they would seem unreal to us. Let us hear about some of them.
So, in this chapter, we are going to read about some creatures, some living beings that are very different from the usual ones, or very different from the ones that we have seen or heard about. There are a variety of creatures, animals, birds, insects, and plants that you might not even have heard the names of, and some of them have uh, features or characteristics so strange, so peculiar, so unique that you might find it unreal. You might find it a fantasy that whether they actually exist or not. So let us discuss about the first strange creature, that is Pacu fish.
The pacu fish are similar to piranhas, but bigger in size. The pacu fish are found in the rivers of South America, mainly Papua New Guinea. These fish have a huge set of teeth that resemble human teeth, which makes them peculiar. They feed on nuts and seeds. The
Now, the first creature that we are going to read about is Pacu fish. Let me show you the real picture of a Pacu fish first. See, this is the real picture of a Pacu fish. Now, this Pacu fish is very similar to piranhas. This, this is piranha. See, they resemble a lot. This is Pacu fish and this is piranha. But this Pacu fish is slightly bigger in size than piranha. Now, these Pacu fish are found in the rivers of South America. These fish have a huge set of teeth that resemble human teeth. Now, which means that they have large front teeth that are similar to human teeth to crush the shells. The name of Pacu means quick eater. So, what is the different characteristic about this Pacu fish is that first it has huge set of teeth, although it looks like piranha, but it has the set of teeth like humans. That makes it very different. So, it feeds on nuts and seeds. The name of the word Pacu means quick eater. So they eat very quickly. So they just snap up things like nuts and algae and seeds in water. Now let's discuss about blobfish.
blobfish are found in the deep waters of Australia. They have jelly-like flesh and float on the water because of their lightweight bodies and do not swim. They wait on the surface of the water and swallow food that floats towards them.
Now let's see the real picture of a blobfish. This is the real picture of a blob fish. Now, these blob fish are found in deep waters of Australia and New Zealand. They have jelly like, as you can see, the jelly like flesh, and they float on the water. These fish do not swim because of their very light weight. They do not swim, they can only float on the water. They do not have any bones or teeth, so they cannot hunt their food. They cannot look for their food. So they just wait on the surface of water, and whatever food comes through the waves to their mouth, they just swallow it. They grow to about 12 inches long, and they are described as the ugliest fish in the world. Now let's read further.
You have seen pandas and you have seen ants. But have you ever heard about the panda ant? These are wingless wasps found in Chile. The little insects get their name from their black and white panda-like appearance. However, these wasps are known for their painful sting. The
Now, the third strange creature that we are going to see or read about is panda ants. Let me show you the picture. This is panda ant. Now, these panda ant, they are wingless, means they do not have wings. They are wasp. Do you know what are wasps? Wasps are insects with stings. Sting, I hope you all know what the sting is. You must have heard of honeybee. Honeybee has a sting. So when it stings to your body, it pains a lot. So similarly, these panda ants, they do not have wings, but they have sting like wasps. They are found in Chile. From where do they get the name from? Because they are black and white like a panda. So they get their name from panda as panda ants. These panda ants are wingless, huge, and they have many furs on their body. These wasps or these panda ants are known for their painful stings. This is why they are also called cow killer, because this small panda ant is capable of hunting or knocking out a cow or other animal that are very large or huge than they are. So here are some information about pakufish, blobfish, and panda ants. So today we read about 3 strange creatures that are pakufish, blobfish, and panda ants. We'll discuss about other strange creatures tomorrow.